5-Minute Digger Tales, published by Igloo Books. Joey's Birthday Bash. It was a very special day at JCB HQ. "Wakey, wakey, Joey," called Roxy Robot. "Happy birthday!" Joey JCB opened his eyes. "Thanks," he said, sleepily. The rest of the team were busy organizing a surprise party for Joey. Doug Dumptrunk hugged party flags along the wall. Dan Dozer laid out food, and Elvis Excavator set up DJ decks for a disco later on. "Good work, team," said Doug. "Joey will love it." "All we need now are presents," said Tommy Truck. "Where are they?" asked Max. Doug looked around the room. He couldn't see the pile of presents anywhere. "They've gone!" he cried. "Oh no," said Marty Mixer. "Without presents, Joey's birthday will be ruined." Doug told everyone to look for missing presents. The builders looked underneath the boxes and scaffolding poles. They searched the store shed and the construction site, but found nothing. Suddenly, Elvis spotted something in Marty's mixer. "It's the presents!" cried Elvis, giggling. "I don't know how they got in there," said Marty. "Never mind that," said Doug. "We need to get ready." At last, everything was ready. "Joey's coming," said Doug, turning off the lights. "Everyone hide!" Joey came into the room and the lights flicked on. "Surprise!" shouted everyone. "Thank you so much," said Joey. "Here, open your presents," said Marty. "You guys are the best," beamed Joey as he opened each gift. "This is the most awesome birthday ever. Thank you." Honk honk. The end.